Hello, welcome to Ride On Cars for Kids. Today I've got a lovely Ford Focus RS to show you. It's brand new in a lovely blue. I'll show you some of its features. It's got key start, it's got music, you just press again for different channels. It's also got an auxiliary port for your own music and USB. And now we'll show you the remote. It's got LED lights all round, a lovely interior, and it's also got the safety doors, so you have to open them from inside and they click shut. Right, the safety belt, and your little one love these. We've got a vast range of other cars. We've got Audis, we've got Mercs, and we're open 11 till 8. And we've got over 330 5-star reviews on Facebook if you'd like to have a look at our page. Thank you.